Let's go through this GCSE Maths Higher Edexcel exam question. So you're given the equations for two different lines. You've got L1 and L2. L1 is y equals 2x minus 5, and then L2, they've given it as 6y plus kx minus 12 equals 0. And you have to work out the value of k. So because you're told in the question that the two lines are perpendicular, what that means is the gradient of one of them multiplied by the gradient of the other one. So we call them m and m dash must equal to minus 1. So that's the rule for two perpendicular lines. When you multiply their gradients, you always get minus 1. So first of all, let's work out the gradient of L2. We have to do a bit of rearranging because it's not in the format y equals mx plus c. So 6y is equal to minus kx when it goes to the other side, and then plus 12. Now at the moment we've got 6y, so we need to turn that into 1y, so we divide everything by 6. Now we've got it in the form y equals mx plus c, so the coefficient of x is the gradient, and the gradient of this one is minus k over 6. The gradient of L1 is simply 2. It's in the right format, so m is 2, and then m dash for L2 is minus k over 6. So when you multiply these two, you have to get minus 1. So 2 times by minus k over 6, that will give you minus 2k over 6, and that has to be minus 1. Take the 6 to the other side, so you've got minus 2k is equal to minus 6. Add minus on both sides, so you've got 2k is equal to 6, therefore k must be equal to 3. And that's what they are looking for. So that's the answer. So just to look back at that again, because they tell you the lines are perpendicular, the gradients must multiply to give minus 1. So it's easy enough to get the gradient for the first one, that was 2. For the second one, you have to do a bit of rearranging, putting it into the format y equals mx plus c. And then when you get the gradient, you then multiply the two gradients, and you know they have to make minus 1. Then you can rearrange that equation to then work out the value of k.